Welcome to Travel with Zan. If you're planning a trip to Melbourne, one of the most important things you'll need to negotiate the public transport system is a MYKI card. This is Melbourne's smart card ticketing system. Melbourne's public transport system is a convenient and budget-friendly way to explore the city. To use the trams, trains and buses in Melbourne, you'll need to tap on with one of these MYKI cards. You can't pay by cash or credit card. For trains and buses, you'll need to tap on and off for every journey. Trams you only need to tap on, and within the CBD, trams are free. So look out for the free tram zone signs and maps, and then you'll know that's somewhere where you don't have to pay. You can buy a MYKI card at train stations, either from the ticket office or from the MYKI machines, which is what I'm about to show you, and 7-Eleven stores. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add MYKI money to your card using one of the machines that are available at the stations. So it's quite simple. You place your MYKI in the little slot where it says place the MYKI here. Then you choose top up MYKI money. Then you choose how much you want to top up. So choose add using a credit card. Then choose the amount, in this case $20. So then it will process that amount and it'll come up on the e-card reader just to the right here. So you tap your card, and then it will confirm how much and ask if you need a receipt. So then you just have to wait while that amount is updated on your MYKI, and then you get the transaction completed, you take your card, and you are ready to go and use the public transport. So you just tap on the readers, you're all good to go and enjoy budget-friendly travel around Melbourne. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please like and subscribe so that you can keep my channel going. Thank you.